What is BitNexus? BitNexus is a world-renowned cryptocurrency company. They provide efficient and safe, reliable mining and blockchain services, guys. So I'm gonna go to About Us so that I can explain this well, guys. BitNexus is a world-renowned cryptocurrency company founded in 2015. We have our headquarters in the United States and several mining facilities around the world, guys. So, guys, this platform, guys, is a cryptocurrency mining platform, guys, that is going to allow you to make money. So, guys, you're gonna be mining TRX on their platform, guys, and don't worry about the legit meters because they are reliable and they are legit. So, guys, consider clicking the link on my description if you want to register to this platform. Okay, guys, so here, guys, is where you're going to register an account, guys. Here is where you're gonna put your username, guys. You're gonna put your username there, guys, and please enter password. Here is where you're gonna put your password, and then please enter the password again. So you're gonna confirm your password that you inserted at the first place. Please make sure you confirm it, and then please enter the fund password. The fund password, guys, is the password that you're going to use for withdrawals, guys. Make sure it's different from your main password, guys. Make sure it's different from your main password, and then please enter the invitation code. Here, guys, you're gonna guys here they're gonna give you the invitation code. When you're done clicking the link on my description, they're gonna give you the invitation code. Don't need to worry about this, don't need to enter details because it's automatical. So and then here, guys, is where you're gonna put your verification code, guys. Here is your verification code, guys. You're gonna put this verification code on this line here, guys. That's simple as that, guys. That's simple as that to register, and then you're gonna click register. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to show you how to deposit at least the 10 TRX to activate the account, guys. I'm going to show you how to enable the account to be activated, guys. So first of all, what you're going to do, guys, you're gonna go on the home page first, just because it's easier when you go there, and then you're gonna go where they say deposit, and then there is transfer to mining account and also transfer into promotional account. So we're gonna go to transfer to mining account, guys. So after that, we click that, and then, guys, what you're going to do, guys, you're gonna copy this address. Please make sure as you can see, guys, here, please do not recharge other non-TRX assets. It will arrive in about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging.
See, we have the 10 TRX on
if
the
you
account
haven't
right now.
Received the account for a long time, please refresh the page, guys. You're gonna do this, guys, and then you're gonna go straight to your Trust Wallet or your Binance if you're using Binance. But for us, we're gonna go straight to here, guys. So, guys, as we are here, guys, we're gonna choose the TRX, and then we're gonna choose send, and then we're gonna paste that address that is there, guys, and then on the amount, guys, on the amount, you're gonna put 0. Okay, let's just say $1 just for safety. Okay, let me just say 10 TRX. Let me just say 10 TRX, and then I'm gonna click continue. Okay, you're gonna confirm, guys. You're gonna confirm. Okay, so, guys, we've sent the 10 TRX, guys. So we're gonna go back straight here, guys. After that, we send, guys, gonna click where they say recharge completed. Gonna click recharge completed, and then so we're gonna refresh a little bit. Remember, guys, they're gonna take maybe 5 to 10 minutes, guys. So let's just refresh the page. Let's just refresh the page, guys. We're gonna just wait for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes, guys, and see the money, guys, there, so that we can continue, guys. So yeah, let me just cut off this video for now. So then we're gonna continue, guys, when we have the 10 TRX, guys. We're gonna go where they say miner. As you can see for yourself, there's miner list and also the miner status, guys. So okay, guys, so your return is going to be mentioned as ROI, guys, So as you can see, level 1, guys, is 2% ROI, and then level 2 is going to be 2.5 ROI, and then level 3, guys, is going to be 3% ROI, and then level 4 is going to be 3.5 ROI, and then level 5 is going to be 4% ROI, and then level 6 is going to be 4.5 ROI, guys. I hope guys you understand. So now guys that you are here, guys, first of all, remember you don't have a product yet. So guys, what I'm going to do as to show you guys, I'm going to like purchase my own, guys, in front of everybody, so guys everybody can see how everything, guys, is done, guys. So guys, as you can see, I'm gonna click submit investment success, guys. So guys, you are done by doing that, guys. You are done by doing that. So let's take, you wanna get this one, guys, for 510 TRX. You're gonna like use this button, guys. You're gonna use this button for you to be able to choose how much you wanna use, guys. So starting with 10 TRX, guys, is also good, so you can do that. And also if you want to do it for like 100 TRX, guys, you can also do it, guys, with the 100 TRX, so that you can get more income, guys. So guys, where they say miner status is where you're gonna see our mining machine dividends, guys. Here is where we're gonna see how much, guys, we are accumulating each and every single day, guys. And also, guys, on the running time, guys, is 0 hour for now, guys. Valid days is 90 days. Payback cycles is 50 days. Left days is 90 days, guys. So purchase quantity is 10 TRX. As you can see for yourself, we bought it for 10 TRX. Total amount received is 0, just because we haven't received yet. We're trying to receive right now, but we haven't received yet, just because we just bought this, guys. So the total amount received is 0, guys, and then the estimated remaining claimable amount is 18 TRX, guys. I'm gonna say like 18 TRX. So guys, here is where you're gonna see your dividends, guys. Is where you're gonna see your dividends. And then, guys, keep it in mind, you receive this only once every 24 hours, guys. Only once every 24 hours, guys. I hope I'm making sense, guys. So guys, that's how we're going to do it, guys. That's how we're going to do it, guys. Yeah, guys. And then, guys, what you're going to do every 24 hours, you're gonna come where they say receive, and then you receive, guys. This you're doing this, guys, manually, guys. You're doing this manually. You're gonna come here and then click receive, and then you'll be able to receive. As you can see, I have received mine right now, guys. So I need to come here every day and do this, guys. That's simple as that to collect, guys, your money that you made. So guys, that's simple as that. So now that you understand and you know, guys, how everything is done, what you're going to do, guys, you're gonna go where they say homepage. You're gonna go to homepage. Guys. As you can see, what they say miner account, we have 0.200, as you can see. So we will come and receive every 24 hours, but keep it in mind, only once per 24 hours, guys. I hope I'm making sense. So now that you know, guys, I want to show you how to withdraw your money, guys. I want to show you how to withdraw your money. To withdraw money, guys, you're gonna go and say withdraw, and then you're gonna come here. So you're gonna choose which account you're gonna use for withdrawals, miner account, and also with the promotional account. So for us, if you want to withdraw, we're gonna go for miner account right for now, guys. But if you have money on the promotional account, you're gonna withdraw with the promotional account, guys. That's simple as that. Please enter withdrawal amount. You're gonna put the withdrawal amount. The minimum withdrawal limit is 0.01, and then the maximum withdrawal limit is okay. I hope you see the number, guys. I hope you see the number here. And then number 3, handling fee is 5%, guys. Please bind withdrawal address. You're gonna bind your withdrawal address. Make sure it's TRC20. I like that one, so that you can be able to withdraw, guys. And also, please enter the fund password. So remember, you made a password on your when you register. You made your fund password when you register. That's the password that you need to put here, guys. Please don't put your withdrawal your login password. Please make sure you withdraw, you put your fund password. That's what I'm trying to say. Make sure you use your fund password, not your login password, your fund password to withdraw, guys. Make sure you use that one. So that's simple as that, guys, to be able to make money with this platform. I love this platform so much, just because they pay fast. So also guys, I need to check something if I'm leaving something here for you so that you won't understand. Okay guys, first you're gonna go where they say to team. You're gonna go where they say team. So guys, here level 1, also level 2 or level 3 guys. So if you're on level 1, you can be able to see how many people that you have. If you're on level 2, you're gonna see how many people you have. I mean your subordinates guys, the people that you have that registered through your referring guys. And then level 3 also, you're gonna be seeing that there guys, as simple as that. To check that, and then what you're gonna do next, let me check what you're gonna do next. Okay, also Google authenticator, whatever. So guys, you're gonna need to set up this one guys. Also you're gonna need to set up this one. So but you're gonna just need to download the authenticator, and then you set it up, and then you're gonna copy this here guys, and then you're gonna paste it on your authenticator, and then you'll be able to do everything guys, so that you can. It's just for safety guys, this one just for safety guys. So you need to put that, make sure you download it, and then you put that number, and then you're gonna get the code, and then verify guys. That's simple as that. So here guys, income statement, you're gonna see what you did guys here. As you can see, for me, I did this today. You're gonna see everything guys here, and then also the ending time, the starting time. You're gonna see your deposit, and also the amount that you're accumulating, something like that. And then announcements here guys is where you're gonna see everything about the platform guys, about the platform. And then you're gonna go back again. I'm just gonna go where they say share. So guys, invite your contact or your friends and get reward, recommended and awarded. For example, if you recommend A to register, you will get 15% of A's total recharge. Your friend A invites B to register, and you will get 5% of B's total deposit. B invites C to register, and you will get 3% of A's total deposit. So guys, the more you have people, the more you're going to make money, just because the more you refer people, and then they refer someone, and then that someone that they referred another person, you're gonna get a commission each and every time when they do that guys. So you're accumulating this money. This one guys, you're gonna get it for passive. It's passive guys, just because you don't need to do anything. It's passive. You just need to keep referring your friends, and then you're gonna get these profits. That's simple as that. And then you're gonna click copy, and then these guys, this is the link that you need to put on your bio guys. Gonna put this link on your bio. That's simple as that. And also I'm gonna leave my link for you to register to the platform guys, so that you can be able to make money. I'll leave the link on my description, so that everything can be easy for you guys. So that's how we're going to do it guys. That's simple as that. I hope I'm making sense. Everybody can do this guys and make money. It's simple to make money with this platform guys. I love the platform so much, just because they pay in time and fast guys. That's simple as that. And also to download the app is simple. You're gonna click download, and then you'll be able to download the app. That's simple as that guys. I'll see you on the next video. It's your boy TMK Money. I'll see you on the next video. It's your boy TMK Money. Yeah.